Gold has always been a symbol of wealth and power. But in today's modern world, there's a new contender, Bitcoin. It's often called digital gold. Here's why. Gold is precious because it's rare, you can't just make more of it. Bitcoin is the same. Only 21 million will ever exist, making it as scarce and valuable as gold buried deep beneath the Earth's surface. Gold has been trusted to preserve wealth for centuries. Bitcoin offers the same promise today, a stable store of value, even when times are uncertain. When inflation strikes, traditional money loses value. Gold has been a hedge against inflation for centuries. Now, Bitcoin plays that role in our modern economy. Gold is valuable but heavy and hard to move. Bitcoin is lighter than air. It can travel anywhere, anytime, making it far more practical for today's fast-moving world. Gold built empires. Bitcoin is building a new future, decentralized, borderless, and revolutionary. It's changing the way we think about money and freedom. So why is Bitcoin called digital gold? It's scarce, secure, and valuable, just like gold. But its role in shaping the future makes it even more extraordinary. Like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency.